Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today we are going to prepare a refreshing drink, an immunity booster as well as a thirst quencher for this hot summer in UAE. First of all, let us start the ingredients. Take 2 whole fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon powder, salt for taste, crushed ground pepper which is done from the pepper mill, then sliced ginger, small piece into thin slices, whole bunch of mint leaves as shown, as well as coriander leaves, a small bunch. I have taken half liter of water as well as ice cubes. Ice cubes is optional. If you need, you can add or you can skip the ice cubes. And also we need a strainer as well to strain once the juice is blended. I am adding fresh coriander leaves, fresh mint leaves, slices of ginger, black pepper powder, sugar 2 tablespoons, pinch of salt, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the blender. Let us cut the whole lemon into half and squeeze the lemon into the blender. Add half liter of drinking water to the blender. Add ice cubes. It is optional. If you need, you can add or you can skip. Now close the lid, hold the lid tight so that it will not blow up. Once you feel all the ingredients are blended, just stop, open the lid slowly and check if it is done. Let us do once more so that entire ginger, coriander leaves, everything is mixed well and blended. Remove it from the blender. You can see the froth on the top, nicely blended with all the ingredients. Now strain this into a jar. I had kept 2 glasses 10 minutes prior preparing the juices inside the freezer. So the frosted glass is ready. Serve the juice in a frosted glass. I have used a long champagne flute as well as a long stem glass for serving the fresh lemon juice, as well as garnish with a slice of lemon and a straw. A refreshing drink, lemon juice, is ready with the flavor of ginger, coriander and mint leaves. So please friends, hope you like this session. If you like, please don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming exciting videos in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.